Aruba, with its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters, is a paradise destination that beckons families from all around the world. The allure of its breathtaking landscapes, warm climate, and friendly locals make it an ideal spot for a memorable family vacation. To elevate your stay to new heights of convenience and enjoyment, consider staying at one of the best all-inclusive family resorts in Aruba. Hi! Welcome to Dive Explore channel. In this video, we'll explore top-rated resorts, their unique features, amenities, family-friendly activities, and the estimated cost of staying at each property. Let's get started. Number 1. Holiday Inn Resort. Nestled along the pristine shores of Palm Beach, the Holiday Inn Resort is a haven for families seeking a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. The resort boasts a variety of accommodations, from cozy rooms to spacious suites, catering to families of all sizes. Children will find their piece of paradise at the Kids Club, where experienced staff arrange exciting activities, arts and crafts, and games throughout the day. For the more adventurous, the resort offers water sports such as snorkeling, paddleboarding, and windsurfing. For the parents looking to unwind, the resort's spa provides a range of rejuvenating treatments. The diverse dining options ensure that even the pickiest eaters will find something to delight their taste buds. Prices for a 7-day stay at the Holiday Inn Resort starts at approximately $2,500 for a family of 4 during the low season. Rates may vary depending on the room type, time of booking, and seasonal demand. Number 2. Marriott Surf Club. Located in the world-famous Palm Beach, Marriott Surf Club offers a luxurious retreat for families looking to create lasting memories. The resort features spacious villas with fully equipped kitchens, providing the convenience of home during your vacation. Families can relax at one of the resort's cascading pools, complete with waterfalls and a lazy river. The resort's Twins and Teens Club ensures that older children have a blast with the various age-appropriate activities, including beach volleyball, movie nights, and interactive video game sessions. Meanwhile, parents can indulge in a variety of dining options, including upscale restaurants and poolside bars. Prices for a 7-day stay at Marriott Surf Club start at around $3,500 for a family of 4 during the low season. Prices may vary depending on the villa size, view, and time of year. Number 3. Hyatt Regency Resort. Situated on the island's southwestern coast, the Hyatt Regency Resort offers a blend of luxury and family-friendly amenities. The resort's inviting swimming pools are perfect for splashing around with the kids or enjoying a serene swim. The Camp Hyatt program keeps young ones entertained with engaging activities, while parents can enjoy some time alone knowing their children are in safe hands. Families seeking adventure can explore the nearby Aruba National Park or indulge in thrilling water sports, including jet skiing and scuba diving. The resort's spacious rooms and suites offer stunning views of the Caribbean Sea, providing a serene retreat for all. Prices for a 7-day stay at the Hyatt Regency Resort start at approximately $3,000 for a family of 4 during the low season. Costs may vary based on the room type, view, and the time of booking. Number 4. Divi All Inclusive. As the name suggests, the Divi All Inclusive Resort provides an all-encompassing experience, ensuring families have everything they need at their fingertips. This beachfront property offers a range of accommodations, including suites and villas with private pools, catering to families of all sizes. The resort's all-inclusive package covers meals, snacks, beverages, and various activities, allowing guests to focus on making memories rather than worrying about additional costs. Families can engage in beach games, windsurfing, and snorkeling, or relax with movie nights and live entertainment. Prices for a 7-day all-inclusive stay at Divi All Inclusive start at around $3,800 for a family of 4 during the low season. Prices may vary depending on room type, occupancy, and time of booking. Number 5. Divi Village Golf Resort. For families who love the combination of a tropical beach vacation and golf, the Divi Village Golf Resort is an excellent choice. Located near the picturesque Drift Beach, the resort offers elegant suites with modern amenities and fully equipped kitchens, providing families with a comfortable home away from home. The resort is home to the links at Divi Aruba, a 9-hole golf course surrounded by lush landscapes. Golf enthusiasts can enjoy tea time while others explore the resort's pools, tennis courts, and water sports facilities. A complimentary shuttle service also connects guests to other nearby Divi resorts, further expanding the range of available activities. Prices for a 7-day stay at Divi Village Golf Resort start at approximately $3,200 for a family of 4 during the low season. Costs may vary based on room type, view, and the time of booking. Number 6. Hilton Caribbean Resort. The Hilton Caribbean Resort, situated on the picturesque Palm Beach, offers an idyllic retreat for families seeking a seamless blend of relaxation and adventure. The resort features a range of spacious accommodations, including suites with stunning ocean views. Families can unwind by the infinity pool, where poolside service ensures ultimate comfort. Children are in for a treat at the resort's Kids Club, where supervised activities, games, and crafts keep them entertained while parents enjoy some well-deserved downtime. For those who love water sports, the resort offers snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, perfect for bonding with your loved ones amidst the azure waters of the Caribbean. Prices for a 7-day stay at the Hilton Caribbean Resort start at approximately $2,800 for a family of 4 during the low season. Prices may vary depending on the room type, view, and the time of booking. Number 7. Hotel Rio Palace. The Hotel Rio Palace, nestled along the swaying palm trees of Palm Beach, is an all-inclusive haven that promises a luxurious and memorable family vacation. The resort's elegant rooms and suites offer contemporary amenities, while its direct beach access allows families to enjoy the soft sands and warm waters of the Caribbean Sea. The resort's Rio Land Kids Club keeps young ones entertained with an array of activities, while adults can indulge in spa treatments or relax by the pool with a refreshing cocktail. The all-inclusive package ensures that families can savor a wide variety of culinary delights without any additional worries. Prices for a 7-day all-inclusive stay at Hotel Rio Palace start at around $3,500 for a family of 4 during the low season. Prices may vary based on the room type, occupancy, and the time of booking. Number 8. Renaissance Resort and Casino. Located in the heart of Oranjestad, the Renaissance Resort and Casino offers a unique family experience with its exclusive private island, accessible by a complimentary water taxi. The resort boasts 2 distinct lodging options: the family-friendly Ocean Suites and the adult-exclusive Marina Hotel. Families can spend their days at the private island's Flamingo Beach, where they can frolic with the friendly flamingos and relax on the pristine shores. The resort's Blue Water Grill is a favorite among guests for its delectable dining experience. Parents can try their luck at the resort's 24-hour casino while the kids have a blast at the Children's Activity Center. Prices for a 7-day stay at the Renaissance Resort and Casino start at approximately $3,200 for a family of 4 during the low season. Costs may vary based on room type, view, and the time of booking. Aruba's all-inclusive family resorts offer the perfect blend of luxury, relaxation, and entertainment for an unforgettable vacation experience. While prices may vary based on the time of the year and specific preferences, the joy of experiencing Aruba's pristine beauty and warm hospitality remains constant, making it a top-tier destination for families seeking a true tropical escape. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dive Explore channel. I'll see you in the next video.